So for a while now, I've been wanting to show you guys how I make my cabinets. So I start with some 1x material to make the face frame, and I actually have some dados in the groove. I'm not sure if you can see that. I think you can see the dados. But I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's a basic cabinet. This is as simple as it is. So the first thing I do is get the bottom. So this is going to be the bottom. Right here I am using some 18mm. It's like the UV. It's already finished plywood. So I have some glue here. I'm going to brush the glue on the side. I glue and screw all my joints. And if you see, as I'm doing this, the bottom of it is pocket holes. So
everything is connected with some pocket hole screws. So here's a little bit of glue. So now I'm putting it on here. And I'm using my finger.
Oh, sorry, hold on. These right here are spacers. I put them in the dado spots so it does not, so the base does not cross the sides. So, now, tight fit, but as long as it's snug, not too tight. If it's too tight, it'll break.
The edge. So now I'm back to the hold this in place.
So I'm using my fingers to kind of make sure that everything is flush to the edge of the bottom of the cabinet. So if you come on around, I have these pocket holes all right here, in which I will attach the bottom. So the next step, I'm gonna put some glue in this dado groove, and then I'll use this so it'll connect. I'm using dados instead of pocket holes because I do not like the look of pocket holes in the inside of my cabinets. Gives it a cleaner look. So now I'm ready to use this. So here I'm just applying some glue in the dado groove that I made. This groove right here is 18mm. So the plywood will fit in there exactly, nice and snug. So also put that there so when I'm trying to line it up, it doesn't fall into the groove and make it difficult to line up. So now I'm using my finger here to flip to make sure that it's at the top. And then I'll take this out and then it drops in. Get these cabinet, best clamps ever, homie cabinet clamps. So I use the quick squeeze cabinet clamps just to apply a little bit of pressure before I get the F clamps. I'll apply F clamps to do the
Majority of the holding. It has more pressure than the easy holds. So now I'm going to do this.
So now I'm gonna bring the sides in, make sure it's square, and then use pocket holes to connect it. Now, the sides are in, and now I'm gonna start putting in the brace that goes across the back, the bottom part. On. Everything sits flush. So I'm in the back now, I'm gonna put the toe kick cover, because remember, it's face down right now. The toe kick cover goes right here. So now you have the toe kick in, box. This is the bottom part of the cabinet that will be on the floor. These are the front stretchers. Now, place them. And the final stretcher goes across the top. So this is what you use. Final stretcher go across the top. This is what you use to screw the cabinet top to the cabinet. So, there you go. It's the front cabinet. I'll put a cabinet door on the front, a shaker style cabinet door right now. And that's how you build a carcass of a cabinet.